In the beginning, our universe began with a bang, not an explosion as we understand it, but an expansion. Imagine all of space and time concentrated into a point smaller than an atom. Then imagine that point expanding faster than the speed of light, stretching space and time itself. This is the Big Bang. In those first moments, the universe was a chaotic soup of energy and particles. It was unimaginably hot and dense. As the universe expanded, it cooled. Energy coalesced into matter. The first elementary particles, the building blocks of everything we know, began to form. The early universe was a dance of creation and annihilation. Particles collided and transformed. Slowly, order began to emerge from the chaos. This is the story of our cosmic origins. It is a story that continues to unfold even today. As the universe expanded and cooled, gravity began to exert its influence. Tiny fluctuations in the density of matter caused particles to clump together. These clumps grew larger over time, pulling in more and more matter. Eventually, these clumps became so massive that their own gravity caused them to collapse in on themselves. The immense pressure at their cores ignited nuclear fusion, the process of fusing hydrogen atoms into helium and releasing tremendous amounts of energy. The first stars were born. These early stars were giants, much larger and hotter than our own sun. They lived fast and died young, exploding as supernovas and scattering the elements they had forged in their cores throughout the cosmos. These elements, the building blocks of planets and life itself, would eventually seed the formation of new stars and solar systems, including our own. About 4.6 billion years ago, in an unremarkable corner of the Milky Way galaxy, a new star ignited. This star, our Sun, formed from a swirling cloud of gas and dust. Around it, a disk of leftover material began to coalesce into planets. One of these planets, the third from the Sun, was Earth. Early Earth was a hostile place, bombarded by asteroids and volcanoes spewing molten rock. Yet within this chaos, the seeds of life were sown. Water vapor released from volcanic eruptions condensed to form oceans. The early atmosphere, thick with carbon dioxide and methane, provided a greenhouse effect that kept the planet warm enough for liquid water to exist. These conditions, along with energy from the sun and lightning strikes, provided the spark for life to emerge. The exact details of how life arose from non-living matter remain a mystery. However, we know that about 3.5 billion years ago, the first single-celled organisms appeared in Earth's primordial oceans. These simple life forms, known as prokaryotes, were able to harness energy from their environment and replicate themselves. Over time, these early life forms evolved and diversified. Photosynthesis evolved, allowing organisms to harness energy from sunlight and releasing oxygen as a byproduct. This led to the Great Oxygenation Event, a dramatic shift in Earth's atmosphere that paved the way for more complex life to evolve. From these humble beginnings, life on Earth exploded in diversity. Single-celled organisms gave rise to multicellular life. Plants colonized the land, followed by animals. The tree of life branched out, each new branch representing a new experiment in evolution. Section 5. The Ascent of Humanity from Tools to Civilization. About 2.5 million years ago, a new type of ape appeared on the African savanna. These were the first hominids, our ancient ancestors. They walked upright, had larger brains than their predecessors, and possessed a remarkable capacity for learning and problem-solving. Over millennia, our hominid ancestors developed tools, controlled fire, and began to communicate through language. They migrated out of Africa, spreading across the globe and adapting to a wide range of environments. About 10,000 years ago, humans made a pivotal transition from hunter-gatherers to farmers. This led to the development of settled communities, the rise of cities, and the birth of civilization. With agriculture came surplus food, which allowed for specialization of labor and the development of new technologies. Section 6. The Digital Frontier, Artificial Intelligence, and the Future of Being. From the printing press to the internet, human history has been marked by technological advancements that have reshaped our societies and our understanding of the world. Today we stand on the cusp of another technological revolution, the age of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to the ability of machines to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as learning, problem-solving, and decision-making. AI is already transforming many aspects of our lives, from the way we shop and consume information to the way we diagnose diseases and develop new technologies. The ethical implications of AI are profound. As machines become more intelligent and autonomous, we must grapple with questions of responsibility, bias, and the very nature of consciousness. The future of humanity may depend on our ability to develop AI responsibly and ethically. Section 7. A cosmic perspective, finding meaning in the grand scheme. In the vastness of the cosmos, our planet is but a tiny speck. Our lives, measured against the timescale of the universe, are fleeting. Yet we humans have always sought meaning and purpose in our existence. From the earliest myths and creation stories to the latest scientific discoveries, we have yearned to understand our place in the grand scheme of things. The cosmic perspective, informed by our growing understanding of the universe, can offer a profound sense of awe, wonder, and interconnectedness. When we contemplate the vastness of space and time, our everyday worries can seem insignificant. We're reminded that we are part of something much larger than ourselves, a cosmic story that began billions of years ago and continues to unfold today. Section 8. The Unfolding Tapestry, our place in the cosmic narrative. We are stardust. The atoms in our bodies were forged in the cores of stars that lived and died billions of years ago. We are connected to the cosmos in a very real and profound way. Our existence is a testament to the power of the universe to organize itself into complex and beautiful forms. From the intricate dance of subatomic particles to the swirling galaxies that populate the cosmos, the universe is a tapestry of interconnectedness and wonder. Our lives, though brief, are part of this grand narrative. We have the opportunity to contribute to the ongoing story of the universe through our actions, our creations, and our interactions with others. Section 9. A Journey Without End, the Eternal Quest for Knowledge. The cosmic journey is not just a journey through space and time, but also a journey of discovery and understanding. From the earliest humans who looked up at the stars and wondered to the scientists who continue to probe the mysteries of the universe, we have always been driven by a thirst for knowledge. The more we learn about the universe, the more we realize how much we don't know. Every answer leads to new questions. Every discovery opens up new avenues of exploration. The search for meaning and understanding is a journey without end. But it is a journey worth taking, for in the pursuit of knowledge, we expand our minds, deepen our appreciation of the universe, and connect with something larger than ourselves.